This is REALME 14x, and today I'll show how you can enter the recovery mode on this device. So in the beginning, simultaneously press volume up and power buttons to launch the power off menu. From here, power off the device. Now allow a few seconds, maybe anywhere between 5 to 10 seconds, for the phone to be switched off all the way. Next, simultaneously press and keep holding the volume down and power buttons, and do that until you'll see the Realme logo on the screen. And once you'll do, release both of your fingers. Just like that. Now once again, wait a few seconds for the recovery mode to be loaded. Select your language, and here you have it. In order to exit the recovery menu, you can either power off the device or reboot it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.